Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you know, we do everything RC here. So me and the wife have a vacation coming up here shortly. We are taking a cruise on a Carnival cruise ship. So me, not wanting any troubles, check the rules. I didn't see anything in the rule book that said remote control cars are not allowed. So this is going to be a short little 2-minute long video, and this is for John Held. I think that's how you say held at Carnival Cruise, the Carnival Cruise brand ambassador. So I sent him an email asking, hey John, can I bring a little remote control vehicle on the ship? And he said, no, I can't bring my little RC car on the ship. Come on, John. What am I going to do with these cool sand tires now? It's not like I'm trying to bring a plane or a drone or something like that and buzz the ship. Well, anyhow, I didn't see anything in the rule book that said no RC cars, but they're telling me no. So guys, let me know what you think, man. I just want to bring my little RC car, run it up and down the beach on their brand new island that they're building. I mean, it's supposed to be the fun ship, right? Hey, no, I'm just giving them a hard time. I'll respect the rules, but man, they're just, don't you feel like they're discriminating against us in the hobby, against the remote control cars? I mean, you can bring a drone, but security will give it to you when you get to port. I can't bring my little RC car, run it on the beach. I can't, the boat, nothing. Come on, Carnival. I thought it was the fun ship. All right, everyone. Well, we'll have some videos when we get onto the Carnival cruise. Post that on my other channel because that's more the vacation channel. This one here is RC, but yeah, I was trying to intermingle the two, have vacation and some RC fun, but Carnival done rained on my parade. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.